Okay, first of all, let me apologize for my accusation when it comes to Utaini saying that any chance and every second that she gets, she is going to jump into Timmy's um luxury blankets because nje including indoda ugedli ufunana noma yini. But now I've realized she's actually someone of integrity. Futhi nakhona uTim was the one that offered ukuthi asiye ecansini. Then she was like, no, I'm not doing that because you are not okay. And when she was explaining to Leroy, she said the reason why she did not take advantage of Utim is because she does not want to be trending again. Ooh, bese wafakusa utige uLeroy athi, yeah, but because remember you don't want to be that person who every day when our trend we trendela ntho tse di maswe. Yo, ari wena bazokwazi ukuthi ule ntombazana le ithatha amadoda wabantu. So I was like, no, I don't want to be that kind of a person. So hence I did not do anything no team. Aw siyakubongela ke gele ngiyaxolisa ke ukuthi ngakufaka udaka. Yo, ay. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani absheni molweni minjani. Yipukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongwa hina was so we'll say something else. Ka nongonoko wa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors, hikuma kurusula samsekangi kahle looking at the fact that Mr. Mayor graced his presence to Sakila's house, trying to name and shame him, show him that he's nothing and he will never be nothing. He will never amount to nothing, and he might as well just leave being a councillor because at uyi councillor lesizwe councillor. You get what I'm saying? He came through with no ambition. There was there was nothing that was actually coming to talk about except for the fact that Usakile did not win the vote of no confidence against the mayor, and he was just coming to rub the salt. Ati, you look like those kind of guys that back in the days, mawusasemncane umama akho akuthengela ibhola and then mawudliwe ebholeni you go home crying. So like manje bengizokutshela ngizoxwayisa mfana kithi ukuthi dlalela kude nepolitiki because you know nothing about politics. The best that you can be is you digging the ground, getting coal and fagi safety boots enganeni. That's the least that you can do. The rest of amopolitiki nan awuyekelelela kithi kukapatia. Let us show you how this which udlalwa kanjani lo mdlalo. Oh my god, when he was saying those, the utterances were painful to watch, painful to even hear. Oh, because yeah, I don't know, but I've got this thing for Usakil. I feel like Usakil is a good guy, and he does not deserve these kind of things. It's like bad things happens to good people. And Sakila ended up saying, Lalela, you need to get out of my house because there's nothing that you came here to say. So please, hi khate Hussein. Now he left, and surprisingly, after he left, soon after that, umphakathi uyafika. This erupted when umfundisi was sharing a Bible verse with unkosikazi wakhe, and then it was a verse about not giving up and how God will lead and stuff. And then now he says this is the word that Sakila needs to know. He does not have to give up. He has to keep on fighting. Even if Izolo he did not win, does not mean that tomorrow he was not going to win. Then he went, Mfundisi organized, Mpagati went to Sakila's house. Mpagati went and said, you know what, we understand that you didn't win yesterday, but we just want you to tell us the truth. Are you going to continue or are you giving up? Because either way, we don't want you to say that I'm going to continue while you know very well that you're not willing to continue. So we just want you to tell us the truth from the bottom of your heart. And Sifunugu Klasa, we are behind you 110%. We want you to know that, and we care about your well-being. It was a kind of heartfelt moment, and Umfundisi was being kind and nice, and I'm like, so you've got a kind side of you when it comes to Sakile, Mr. Mfundisi. Now, Usakile, I think he got motivated because prior to that, he was saying, Utiena, he is not going to be, lentally, Arasbon is dingo. He does not see the need, this Zatus for him to continue. He was discussing this matter with Ubani Tandiswa. Why am I saying Tandika? Utandiswa no myeni wakhe umkhwanazi they came to visit him and just trying to give him words of encouragement. Athi lalela, ngiyayilwa impi kodwa ngiyaluza every day. So mina I don't see myself being imayor. So kungcono angihlike leli bhasi kusasemanje because ngathi kuzonakala okuningi. And then uThandiswa was like, no, but you can't do that now. You just need to hold on. Yes, you did not make it yesterday, but that does not mean that every day when uzoluza, can you just hold on? So he said, yeah, he wants to butt out. But now when the community come to say, you know what, we actually behind you 110%, regardless of the results, whether you win, whether you lose, whether we are Puma, whether we are Hlala, Lalela, we are behind you. And it was like, you know what? I'm going to give Mr. Mayor the taste of his own medicine. Agdindawo. It kind of bring that Sakila thing on me. But again, anyway, khona abanye abangajabulanga le khaba umfundisi. Ukayise, if you remember, she has moved to the hotel and it looks like she's loving the hotel. And now Martha just escalated matters to saying, I want you to go to the varsity and learn so that when you come back, uzokwazi ukuphatha, because this little hotel, I tend to give it to you. How Ukayise was so shocked. Mara ufanyana is not happy as well. Oh, manje sewudla ukudla kwasehotela. Athi no, remember, manje I've got a bathroom lami, anything. Now if I have to order ngizoku-ordela nawe bese uyadla. Uma wakhe then she's not happy ukuthi okay ungathi uMartha umthathele ingane. But then again she was like, okay, but Martha never had a chance to be with me, and now this is the chance. I feel like we have to bond and be close. Can you allow us and give us that chance? Athi naye, mina angenzanga lutho mos. Athi I was not the one that said Martha should not have quality time with you. So why am I suffering in the process? Uma wakhe, she's not really keen on letting Ukayise spread her wings, while Martha on the other side, she's willing to let her spread her wings and be able to come back and continue progress the family legacy. Well, Leroy, he's happy ukuthi ke uTiny akazange athathe abale zakhe, but Tiny says, you know what, I actually wanted to. Yazi inhliziyo yami ithe yebo kodwa inyama ithe cha. And I was like, good girl for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Ndolibonga ngamandla.